Is fascia involved in sport injury? Well, we make a study, analyze the ankle. The ankle sprain is really important issue that will affect the majority of the sport, or is the number one cause of day off. So for this reason, we decide to evaluate soccer players that have a high incidence of ankle sprain and analyze during the season how the ankle sprain can be prevented. We analyze a soccer player, semi-professional soccer player, and we analyze at time zero if they were optimal, suboptimal in performance. This suboptimal group of subjects we then subdivide in control and study. The study group had 3 treatments of fascial manipulation versus the control group that have only normal, sport activity and exercise during the season. So after the 3 treatments of fascial manipulation, we follow up all the group studying control. And what we saw? We saw that already at 3-month follow-up, the control group have a 1 major ankle sprain that stop the player to go ahead with the season. Then at 4 months, we have another minor ankle sprain that stop the player for more than 1 week. And then we saw at 6 months another major ankle sprain that kick up the guy from the season. And at the end of the season, like 12 months, we have 2 other ankle sprain that was not really major, but was not allowed the player to perform the last game. So they went off from the team. So what it means? It means that 50% of the control group, they had a minor or major ankle sprain that stopped them to perform for at least 6 days, versus the study group that have fascial manipulation, that have only really minor event that they didn't stop for more than 2 days. This means that if you treat properly the fascial system, and in particular the reticula, you can restore proprioception and you can improve not just the performance, but decrease the number of injury and the severity of the injury.